Good morning, good night. So welcome back to our short video lesson. Let's go to lesson 8C, lifestyle changes. What are lifestyle changes? I mean, we talk about the health. It changes. It can be changed to good and can change to be bad. Okay, so look at number one. Look at the picture. What is Pizet always tired? Sorry. Why is Pizet always tired? តែហេតុបានជា Pizet នឹងតែងតែនឿយហត់យើងមើលរូបភាពហើយឆ្លើយសំណួរ Okay, when you look at the pictures of Pizet, so in front of Pizet is a desktop with the sign that say Facebook. As you look at the time, it is 12 o'clock a.m. at night. Okay, and then look at number two. Listen, read, and check. So this conversation help you to answer why is Pizet always tired. Why is Pizet always tired? Okay, so let me read for you. Let's go. So the conversation between Hieng and Pizet. Hieng, you don't look too good, Pizet. I heard your team lost the football match 5-1. Pizet, I know it was a bad game. Too many of the players aren't fit enough. That's why they beat us easily. And I don't go to bed until midnight and the night before the game. Here, wow, that doesn't sound good. 12 hours sleep is too much. But 5 or 6 hours sleep isn't enough. If you keep going to bed late, you will feel tired all the time. What were you doing on the night before the game? Pizet, I was chatting with the other players on Facebook for 5 hours. Here, oh, Pizet, 5 hours too much, too many. 1 hour at night is enough. You won't have enough time to do your homework. If you spend too much time on Facebook, do you do your homework? Pizet, no, I didn't. I didn't have enough time. Here, you will get into trouble if you don't do your homework. If you get into troubles at school, your father will get angry. Have you eaten breakfast today? Pizet, no, I haven't. I was late for school. I had too many jobs to do, so I didn't have enough time for breakfast. Here, if you don't eat for breakfast, if you don't eat your breakfast, you will feel tired all day. If you feel tired, you won't be able to focus on what the teacher says. You watch too much television and you don't spend enough time studying. It's also important to eat healthily. If you eat enough good food, you will feel healthier. You should listen to your football coach. He recommended some good ways to improve your lifestyle. If you listen to your coach, you will soon feel better. What did you say to you? What did he say to you? He said, I eat too much hamburgers and that's why I don't have enough energy. I don't eat enough fruit and vegetables. He said, I drink too many sodas and fast food. Soda and I don't drink enough water. That's why I dehydrate. You dehydrate? Dehydrate by theខ្សោះជាតិទឹក. So fast during the game. Fast food isn't very nutritious. It also said, if I don't do more exercise, I won't be fit enough to play football. Just walking to school isn't enough exercise. I need to do more exercise. Here, Facebook is okay if you look at it for a short time. If you look at Facebook too much, you won't have enough time to do anything else. We have great food in Cambodia, fresh vegetables full of nutritious vitamins. It's not enough just to eat one banana. You need to change your diet and your lifestyle. Okay, so you will know how to answer the question that said, why is Bissett always tired? So what you have to do is you write down the date, titles, and answer the question for number 1. And number 2, you just write down listen, read, and check only. Okay, and let's move to number 3. Read the conversation again and write too much, too many, enough into the blanks from A until F. Okay, I have made example already. Letter A. So A, the team lost the game because too much or too many of the team aren't fit enough. Okay, so there are 2 blanks in it. So the first blanks we put too many, and the second we put enough. Okay, so for B until F, you will do it yourself. Okay. Alright, so let's go to part number 4. Exercise number 4. Read the story again. Are these sentences true or false? You decide yourself, but you can do it because you have to read the conversation again. So make sure that you understand, and then you choose the correct statement, true or false. Let's make example number 1. A. Bissett doesn't get enough sleep. Is it true or false? It's absolutely true. If you true, you check. It is the sentence false, you cross. Okay, there you get it right. Okay, so now let's move to number 5. Match the places to the pictures. So we have places number 1 to number 9, and with the pictures A until L until I. Okay, like too much rice, enough rice, not enough rice, enough apples, not enough apples, too many apples, not enough fish, enough fish, and too much fish. So look at number 1, too much rice. Too much rice is go to picture C. If you eat too much rice, what happened? You can get fat, okay? Because he is holding a bunch of rice and with a big bowl of rice. Okay, that is too much rice. Okay, so from number 1 to number 5, from 3, 4, 5, you just write down the answer for me. Okay, but except number 4. So number 4, you need to write down the sentence and say true or false for me. The rest you just write down the answer. Okay, goodbye, had fun, hope you can learn something. See you.